Do you want another strawberry? Yeah, here. They're so good, right? I forgot how much better fruit tastes in the summer. Amazing. Oh, here, wait. I'll feed it to you. Because it's cute. It'll be cute, I promise. Just give in. Come on, do it. We're a couple now, aren't we? So that means we have to do cute couple things, even if they are a little bit cringy. Eat the strawberry. See, wasn't that adorable? Feels so good lying under the sun. I haven't spent time outside in forever. I forgot how good it is for the soul. I mean, I sit under the sun for 5 minutes and suddenly I feel so happy to be alive. And I think the world is so beautiful, and I believe in true love. Suddenly world peace seems possible. The power of sunshine. Having a picnic was a genius idea. I'm so glad you thought of this. You know, normally, whenever I've gone on dates, it's always been like out to dinner or, I don't know, bowling. I don't know. But a picnic, I've never done that for a first date. Do you want some French bread? I didn't just pack all this stuff for it to look cute. We're actually supposed to eat it. Okay, here. No, it's okay. I'll slice you some. Ouch. Ow. I cut myself. Ow. Yeah, I'm okay. Stings a little, but I'm okay. Anyways. I'm sorry. A flower for me? Did you just pick this? Aw, you shouldn't have. You're so sweet. Is it... Oh, wait, is it staying behind my ear? I don't want it to fall out. Okay, perfect. Wait a minute, there's like a whole patch of dandelions over here. How did I not even notice? This is so pretty. Do you want to make wishes? It's kind of corny, but I don't care. I used to make wishes all the time when I was little on dandelions. Okay, I wish... Oh, okay, stop blowing on it. Let me. You're so mean. Get your own dandelion. Okay. I wish for... It just blew away. I'm so sad. Horrible timing. The wind couldn't have blown it away like 2 seconds later. No, it's okay. I'm not gonna pick another one. Maybe I just wasn't meant to make a wish. Maybe it would have been one of those bad wishes that seems good at first, and then it turns out to like ruin my life. Oh, wait, hang on. The dandelion fuzz like blew into your hair. It's everywhere. Hang on, I got it. Hold still. Okay, there we go. taste like strawberries. Oh, I forgot to tell you. I baked us a pie. An apple pie. Do you like apple pie? I hope so. Everyone likes apple pie. Oh, good. Thank you. It's right in the basket here. Do you want some now, or should we wait? Yeah, sure. I love baking. It was fun. I'm so proud of how it turned out. I went a little bit overboard with the crust. I tried to make it fancy. Thank you. You are so sweet. I'm so glad I'm here with you. This is like the perfect first date. Hold still? What? Oh, are you about to kiss me? You are so predictable. Wait, what? There is not. You're lying. There's a bee on me? Oh my gosh. Where? Oh no. Oh no. No, I'm terrified of bees. Where is it? It's on my neck, isn't it? I can feel it. It tickles. I might be allergic to bees. Well, I'm not sure. I've never been stung, but both my parents are allergic to bees, so there's probably a good chance I am too. Okay, I know, I'm holding still. I can still feel it crawling on me. Oh, please, get it off. Ow, it stung me. It stung me. Oh, ow. Shit. What are you doing? You're taking this stinger out? Oh, thank you. Ow. So, that's what getting stung by a bee feels like. I would not recommend it. Ow. Is it red and swollen? I'm braced for my throat to start closing up or something. I don't know, I feel okay. It stings, hurts like hell, but I don't feel like I'm dying. So I'm probably not allergic, right? Okay. It hurts. It's okay. What? Are you kissing it better? Oh, thank you. No, I'm fine, yeah, thank you. Wow, I did not think that would happen. This date was going so well. Of course I get stung by a bee. Where were we? Can we just keep talking to distract me from the pain? Thank you. You are a really good kisser. Did I mention that? I can't get over how perfect you are. You get shy with compliments, don't you? No, it's so cute. makes me want to compliment you all the more, just to see your reaction. You're adorable. Oh no. I may have just stuck my knee into the apple pie. I was trying to, move on top of you and, oops. Oh no. No, look. It's like completely mush. I'm gonna cry. I spent hours making this. I know, but the crust, it was so beautiful. Are you kidding me? This sucks. I'm so sorry. Are you sure you still want to eat it? Okay, well, thank you. I'm so embarrassed. I cannot believe I messed up the pie. I guess, yeah, at least we have all these other snacks. Good thing I overpacked. At least we still have like 4 different types of cheeses and French bread, even if it maybe has my blood on it. Scones, sandwiches, and no dessert, but that's okay. Can you tell I'm desperately trying to find the bright side? Yeah, we just have to think of all the good things. At least I'm not allergic to bees, and I'm not sitting in the hospital right now. And at least it's still sunny. Seriously? You have to be joking. I didn't know it was supposed to rain. Did you know it was supposed to rain? Yeah, the weather forecast said that it was supposed to be sunny all day. My sundress, I'm completely drenched already. What do we do? I cannot believe this. It's like the universe is doing everything in its power to sabotage our date. I think it's out to get us. It wants to tear us apart. This is insane. Are you laughing? You're laughing. What? You think this is funny? How can you be laughing? We're getting poured on. I can't help it. I'm so mad. I know, I'm smiling. I smile when I'm angry. It's like a coping mechanism. I don't know. Deep down, I'm furious. Our perfect date. I wanted it to be perfect, and I feel like everything that could possibly go wrong is going wrong. First, I cut myself, and then I got stung by a bee, and then I ruined the pie. Am I cursed or something? If you want to break up with me right now, I will completely understand. That might be the sweetest thing anyone's ever said to me. What now? If the pie wasn't ruined before, it's definitely ruined now. Do we pack it up and go? We could eat in the car. It might not be as romantic, but at least we'll be dry. What? You know, I have always wanted to kiss in the rain. Thank you for making an imperfect date perfect. With anyone else, this would be the worst date ever, and with you, I think it's the best date I've ever had. And that's saying a lot, considering my bee sting hurts like hell.